How to increase or decrease exposure in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. After that, go to the photo tab, and then you want to tap on the control button. In here, swipe across and tap on the exposure button. It's this button right here, so tap on that. And then on the slider bar here, you can drag it to the left or to the right to decrease or increase the exposure. You can tap on this round circle button to reset it back to the default. And after that, you can then tap on the shutter button to take the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.